How to fix Nintendo Joy-Con drifting. To fix the Nintendo's Joy-Con drifting, you simply have to calibrate the joysticks in system settings. So you simply have to select the setting gear icon on the bottom navigation dock from your Switch's home screen. Then scroll down to the left sidebar menu options list and click on the controllers and sensors. Then scroll down to the right panel and select the Calibrate Control Sticks. Tilt the drifting analog stick in any direction and hold it for a moment to open the calibration screen. Then check the target symbol on the display. If dot is flickering, floating away, or showing an arrow when the stick is at rest, press the X button to initiate the calibration itself. Then follow the on-screen prompts to tilt the stick in specified direction and rotate it complete circles and click save when finished. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.